I'm about to talk about this new series that I think you might want to check out. It's called The Cleaning Lady.
Brandon said he'd let us work here if we sell a little E on the side. Drugs? Hey, no. The donor backed out, and we've been waiting for another match.
I'm afraid we can't help you.
I got Lucas' results. I'm sorry, Tony. This disqualifies him from the trial.
Get out! Get out of here!
Are you scared of me now?
You're not the man I thought you were.
You don't get to judge me and still take from the fruits of my labor.
I only did this to help my family.
The series actually it was copied from a Colombia series. It's just basically about a woman who came to the United States because her son is sick and she's trying to get a medical treatment for her son, but apparently a visa expired and she has to work and she has to work illegally. She has to stay in the United States illegally so she can get her son treated. And along the way she went to this party where she has to do a cleaning, and she witnessed a murder and they wanted to kill her, but instead of that she tried to save herself and by telling them that she can clean, she can make all the mess go away, like clean everywhere, and then they wouldn't see any trace. And she is very good at her job. Also back in our country, Philippines, she was a doctor, and so she met with this guy Ahmad, and then they have been involved in gun trafficking and other kinds of illegal shits. So, and there is this FBI who is trying to nail this. Who's trying to nail their. There's this officer, the FBI. The FBI are also trying to nail them, so they want to use this woman to get through to them, and she needs them. This woman also needs them to save our child. Our child. So what's gonna happen? Why is she gonna flip on Ahmad, or is she going to help the FBI and continue to stay in the United States? Because if she doesn't help them, a stay in the United States is at risk, and her son's life too. So what do you think she's gonna do? Just stick around. I'll follow you on the channel episode by episode. So thank you guys. If you haven't seen it, just go watch it. It's called The Cleaning Lady. It's called The Cleaning Lady, and it's also from a favorite actor, your favorite actor, Elodie. She's a great actor. I mean, you all know her. So if you don't know her, just go check her out. Elodie.